Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and just want to kind of talk again about something I've talked about probably last year, and I often mention it when we have Windows updates that it's maybe better to wait. So, of course, we get two updates a month in Windows, and one is the Patch Tuesday updates for security, which are mandatory. So they install, and that's it, unless you pause updates. But you get also what's called preview updates. And I install the preview updates all the time immediately for the purpose of this channel, making videos. And if there's new features and anything, I'll see them immediately. And so that doesn't mean that you should install the preview updates. I know some of you are keen on, there's an update, let's do it right now. And there are others that are there's an update, but I'm going to pause and I'm going to wait until to make sure that it's okay. And what happens is that the reason Microsoft calls these updates preview updates is simple. It's a update that is in test mode. So when you actually install it the day it's out, you are a little bit a guinea pig where you are being tested and you are being tested and you are testing at the same time the updates to make sure that they work. And we've had in the last year a couple of preview updates that did break things. And so what happens is that the reason they are not mandatory, they are in some way because they will install with Patch Tuesday, but when they are released, your system, if you do not go into Windows updates, your system will not install a preview update until Patch Tuesday. And the reason for that is that it gives 2 weeks for Microsoft to fix whatever bug or bugs that they could find within the preview update. So, when I get a question of, do you think, people should install the preview updates when, immediately when they arrive? My answer to that question would be, you better ignore it and wait until Patch Tuesday, and they will install at the same time as the Patch Tuesday updates, and that'll be fine. Some people are worried, that makes more updates to install at the same time. Isn't it going to be like real slow, or is it going to be, maybe higher risk of problems? Not really, honestly. And it's not really that much longer to have the preview updates installed with the Patch Tuesday updates anyways. So I think, preview updates, if you want to go for it, go for it. But if you are a regular user, I would wait until Patch Tuesday, everything installs together. Gives chance to Microsoft to fix the bugs. And, let me be the guinea pig and make the videos with the preview updates that we get and what features they turn on every month. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.